sebentar ban penklan ye kaseng NPP ha North Shillong constituency ha kasi sajan jo tayo balala lathau bat Pynskhem pura yaka khatnyo North Shillong constituency da ka ba penlong ya ka jingelang ha khasi National Darbar Hall hamokhar
Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi rengkat ke jingedan lang UMDC ke Maulai constituency uba ate borlang pathau ki kertong ke NPP ke bekentup uba Rocky Hack ikong Jasmine Lengdo bat kiwe-kiwe. Ulapan scam ikinong kitkam jong ke NPP North Shillong block apa ke jingelam bu presiden uba ran samsu tengah ubalong ru kertong banyakun dengan North Shillong ya ke election MLA ha ke senam arhajar apulai. Nalor kani lapan scam ru ikinong kitkam jong ke National People's Youth Front NPYF bat ke NPP Women's Swing. Ha ke balawan bansa kiru di kispangut kinong kitkam bat kinong kersan ke NPP. Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi uloong bakane ka constituency ke lapan mi bon kinong mi khmat ki bakrau ha kisnem ki balalet. Bat ke balawan ra akan nam bat ke buram ya ke jelabro kawai. Bat uloong ba amdai ban penlong ya ke North Shillong kum ka constituency ban sha rekeben. Bat kipat ba ke deban trish tom ban rak biang ya ke nam bat ke buram om tang hapo kane ka constituency. Nri ha ke jelah ibro kawai. Uba ransam sutengah uloong ba katong jungu benekun ki election kedai na kebenta ban syakri kipat ba ban kentiau ki kampen roy kamtam ban pai kemat syaki kon samla jong ka constituency. Bat ulapan pau ke jing kemen ya ke jing wan tuat ki long kemep ki samla ban ai jing kersan ya da ke jing temu ban wan ra ke jing kala ha ke ka constituency.
Therefore today I want to request all of us to give a big round of applause, especially under the leadership of our president Bakit Jaran. Shall we give a big round of applause? Thank you, especially for your leadership. Now, from my side today, I want to say a few words. Today, we have constituted the unit. We have constituted Women's Wing. We have constituted Youth Wing. And we have concentrated only from this area. But this coming days, we will start concentrating and also including our friends from Jail Road, from Police Bazaar, from Thana Road, from Reserve, and then from Auckland, from Governor House, we will include in this committee. So this is our goal. Our goal is to win. And this is actually my desire, that we all, can work together and can bring change, especially for the 17 North Shillong. And as I've said, we will all come together with one focus, and that is, to make North Shillong proud again. And I want all of you, to give your left and right hand, to work together. And, as we work together, I have no doubts at all that we will win in 2023. We will win in 2023. With these few words, thank you very much, and God bless you.
Haswa bang ne beteng susu ki kubor ngene phasha si por sekini ki chimpen bana